From Tallahassee, Florida, this is the 2020 Law Day Celebration, featuring keynote speaker Martha Barnett, awards presentations, and recognition of pro bono attorneys from the Second Judicial Circuit.
Welcome to the 2020 Law Day Celebration. My name is Leslie Powell-Boudreau, and I am the Executive Director of Legal Services of North Florida.
And I'm Carrie Litherland, the Executive Director of the Legal Aid Foundation of Tallahassee. We are both nonprofit civil legal aid organizations which serve low-income and vulnerable individuals and families in our community. While we might do this a little bit differently, we share an intertwined mission to provide access to justice and the legal system, including through our local legal community and our pro bono volunteer attorneys.
Today, we're coming to you virtually, using technology to come to you and still share that message as we honor the 19th Amendment and the pro bono attorneys who serve our community. We are still practicing social distancing and all the restrictions here. All of our speakers are safe, and we're making sure that everyone is healthy and protected through this process.
We want to thank our board of directors, our staff, and our volunteers for their continued support and commitment to making sure that poverty does not deny access to justice. And with that, we'd like to turn it over to our board presidents.
Thank you, Carrie. My name is Brandi Thomas. I am the 2020 president of the Legal Aid Foundation of Tallahassee. I would like to first start by thanking Kevin Forstoffel for his hard work that he did and was able to do with Legal Aid Foundation as he was president last year. I would also like to say that I'm super excited that this program is continuing in the midst of what's going on. Law Day is extremely important in that it allows LAF to partner with LSNF to recognize our pro bono and volunteer attorneys. I encourage each of you, as I have done, to volunteer your time to the community in the Second Judicial Circuit. Thank you once again for being a part of our day. I'd like to turn it over to Yvonne. Thank you.
Thank you, Brandi. Good day. I'm Ellie von Whitehead, President of Legal Services of North Florida. For more than 4 decades, Legal Services has provided individuals and families across the Panhandle with free legal aid and representation. Today, we are here with our partners, the Legal Aid Foundation and FSU College of Law, to celebrate Law Day and recognize law students and attorneys from the Second Judicial Circuit who have volunteered their time and expertise to provide legal assistance to those who need it most. With the recent onset of COVID-19, the most vulnerable members of our community need our help even more. At Legal Services, we expect to see increases in cases of domestic violence, human trafficking, and more than ever, people in our community are going to face tough economic challenges and hardships that can only be solved through legal advice and representation. We are preparing our staff and attorneys for the second wave of this crisis to hit our communities. And in many ways, our attorneys and volunteers serve as second responders in times like these. Our social safety net will be tested like never before, and I believe the work we do in the legal community will have a profound impact on how quickly we can recover and keep the social safety net in place for many of our local residents. I hope that hearing the words and stories of other attorneys, judges, and volunteers will inspire you to find the courage to become a pro bono attorney and help LSNF and LAF provide these services during these unprecedented times. Thank you. And now, let's hear about the Pro Bono Transformation Grant.
Hi, my name is Carrie Boyd, and it is my honor to be the Pro Bono Transformation Director for the Legal Aid Foundation of Tallahassee and Legal Services of North Florida Pro Bono Transformation Project. This project came about as a result of key leadership from Leslie Powell-Boudreau and Carrie Litherland in 2018 and is funded by the Florida Bar Foundation. Key objectives of this program are to enhance the overall parity and technology between the two agencies. We are also striving for an enhanced volunteer attorney experience, as well as a no wrong door policy of access for our clients. We are also seeking to reduce administrative time for our staff because we want to further devote those resources to better serving our clients. And finally, we just hope that overall this program throughout the Second Circuit will enhance turnout and recruitment efforts for our agencies. Thank you again to our Guiding Coalition. The Guiding Coalition was founded in 2018 and is composed of members of this community who are judges, leaders in the Circuit Clerk's Office, volunteer attorneys, and other staff members of LAF and LSNF who are committed to ensuring the best pro bono service delivery model possible here in Leon and Gadsden counties. I thank all members of the Guiding Coalition for their continued commitment to this important work.